PHP offers a set of information arrays called the Superglobals. These are available to every program, and they report information about the server, the page, and all sorts of useful data. Here's the short list. Some of these, like get and post, help process forms, as does files. The cookie array obviously deals with cookies. env, the environment, and server reports web server details. A good tool to explore any unknown array is vardump, used here to examine the server global array. Here's the output, a dump. It contains a lot of detailed information to help automate a web page. In this code, I call out a single element of the server array, the remote address element key remote ADDR. The output is the IP of the system requesting the web page. Here you see my system's IP, which is a local IP because the computer and the server exist on the same network. One server array element I use often is document root. The value returned is the path name on the server where your website files are located. This information is valuable when referencing other PHP files on a website. On my server, the location is shown in the output. Use this item to reference the base path name for your site and its files. Now, this doesn't work for personal sites, and you can always use a relative path. This topic is addressed elsewhere in this course. Here I've added a second line to the code, outputting the element key script file name. The new output shows the file's absolute address on the server. This is a personal page, so its path is different from the root and different from what's shown in the address bar. Your challenge is to write code that tries to guess which type of computer system has connected to the server. This information is obtained from the server Superglobal array. Specifically, it's held in the HTTP user agent key, which returns a string describing the connecting system. Here are some string examples. If the string contains the word Windows, a Windows system has connected. If the string contains the word Macintosh, it's a Mac OS system. If the string contains the word Linux, it's a Linux box. Otherwise, the connecting system may be something else. Use the string function to scan the HTTP user agent string to determine the connecting computer type. You can review this function's arguments in the online PHP documentation, good practice. Construct a decision tree using if and else statements to output the results. When you're done, compare your solution with mine, output shown here for a Windows computer.